Hey, my people, this one no be small thing, no. Foluke Daramola and her husband, this one no be small thing, no. This one a big gbege, my people. Foluke Daramola husband say Foluke Daramola dey cheat am, my people. He say all the time when they with Foluke Daramola, say na wasting of time, my people. Hi guys, welcome back to another odd gist, guys. How you guys doing? If you are new here, you are welcome, and if you are returning subscriber, God bless you as you always come back to watch my video, guys. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe so that you will not miss any updates about the celebrities. And don't also forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, let's get into the video, guys. First of all, now when I don't know Foluke Daramola na Yoruba actress wey be say she dey act Yoruba movie. My people, Foluke Daramola na person wey be say she get two children, one girl and one boy, and she and the father of her children, they no dey together. So he come marry another man, and they talk say the man wey he marry, the man fit get wife for us wey be say they say Foluke Daramola collect the husband for the woman, and they can't go do court wedding. So the woman now, you say Foluke Daramola no dey let the man go dey see his children. So later on, a lot of people dey bash Foluke Daramola then say why Foluke Daramola go collect person husband wey don't get children. Say whether that kind thing makes sense like that. Say why he go collect person husband come still go do court wedding with him together, and you know they let the man go dey see the children. So he just carry the man join body. So after then the first wife no just talk anything, the woman no talk anything, just the struggle they go with her children. And later Foluke Daramola and the man dey together, and if Foluke Daramola get belle, a lot of people say she dey miscarriage. But although no be good thing, may God protect her and grant her her desire anyway. But people confuse say now because of wetin Foluke Daramola do for the woman, now make that thing dey happen to Foluke Daramola. Because the man now confuse say I leave my wife and my children, and I can't deal with you with your children, and these children self no be his own. At the end of the day, you no can't see give her one child. So for that reason, that man can't move on, say no, he no go fit continue. And the man can't see saying the hear news, the hear rumors, say Foluke Daramola they cheat on him. Say they cheat on him. And because of Foluke Daramola, he don't break his own marriage. He no fit go back to his wife again, and in children, he dey try to make peace with the children. I ain't go to continue where we say he no get child with him, he no get child with him. That means in the waste in time, the waste in future with him. Now be that one. But this man, no, how matured man like you go feel say you dey waste your time? When you go to sign for court, they do the court wedding. Who forced your hand? Now nobody forced you to sign the document. Now you force yourself. Now you date there. You say you date in love. If they ask you to interview you, they interview you. You go talk say you and your first wife now no date together again. No, now no date together. See what you do. See what you no do. Now so they take care of the children. Why the woman thought say you know they take care of the children, and they thought say you and the woman still date together before you can go marry Foluke Daramola. So now you can't feel say you dey waste your time. How you say they waste your time? You know they waste your time. Because now you do yourself. You get wife and children. You come up for them because that one Foluke Daramola na actress, because you want make people still know you well. The fame, attention where you want get from people. And you know the things are the way you take plan, I mean, no can't go well like that. Now you can't feel say you dey waste your time. And this life, anything where person do, one day, if not bad, they go back to the person. If not good, you go back to the person. How a woman go collect another person husband with the children? The man no see they take care of the children. The man no they take care of the children. You go see the man and Foluke Daramola for inside picture with Foluke Daramola children. But you know they see the man children inside picture with the man together. And people feel say that kind of thing are very bad something. You know go just fit on the children, even though you snatch the husband, you still say you want to turn the children back against the husband, back against their own, against the own children. You turn the father back against the own children. Say it no make sense like that. Even though you married the man, as the man dey wey be say you dey inside as you dey take care of your own children, the man dey support you for your own children. Now so you supposed to support him for your own children. Now so you supposed to support her for your children. Wetin dey happen to Foluke Daramola so? Although no be say na because of say Foluke Daramola collect person husband, no be him. No be because of that one. If it no be because of that one, say na just normal thing wey God say make it happen, na it just happen. But me, I just feel say in this life, e no good make you hurt your own fellow human being. E no good. The man, even though the man lie give you, say okay, he don't separate with his wife. At least you need to go investigate, ask questions, ask people, the family. Try to go close to the wife. You and your husband still there together. Before you come to say you won't go marry the man. Not be say you go just marry the man there. And you dey hear people, they carry the news, they waka say, this man, oh, he don't get wife and children. They waka leave his wife and children because of you. And you feel say what you they do, they go say the man love you, love you, love you. Now the man don't waka leave you. Now the man say you know they do again because he not gain anything. They say the man not gain anything. The man they regret say why he leave his wife and his children. Say the first marriage when they even better pass now. Say wife Foluke Daramola they cheat am at the same time. He no give am child at the same time. He no get rest of mind. Say the way he take plan and not be the way the things they go. Because this man so if he say na so money go take day, na so this one go take B, na so that one go take B. Before he come on leave his wife and his children. How you go come on live with your wife and children? You get your aunt to take work hard. You go there. You marry Foluke Daramola, but that one no mean say you go forget your own children. You dey always snap picture with Foluke Daramola children, but your own children, you know they feel they spend time with them. When they ask you for interview, they feel say the woman now say you dey pepper the woman, even though you and your first wife get issue. Una no fit settle am. Even though you feel say as na get misunderstanding, so the only way you take pepper your wife now to go carry another actress where we say get money pass am, you get level pass am, and you know come know say na so you go come turn out to be today. You know this life, you no good to the commonize person. You commonize your first wife, now make you go meet yourself for this position. Now you don't need to talk say your wife they cheat you. Just the way you take cheat, now they pay you say your wife they cheat you. Foluke Daramola they cheat you, but you they cheat your wife. You they cheat your wife. So you don't need to complain. You don't need to complain. You don't need to go anywhere. And that your first wife may not forgive you, may not let you come alive at all. Because if you forgive you, the one way you go do to them, you go pass the one where we say you don't feel they do before. Only waiting the first wife go just, the woman go just do be say, make it just let the children get relationship with their father. Because this man wait dey there, so this man, you marry another wife, you know me say you go forget your children. You just do as if you don't get children. You will they celebrate for look at Daramola children birthday, they celebrate their birthday, they praise them, they do a lot of things. But your own children, you know go feel they celebrate their own birthday, you know go feel they post them, they show them love. They show them love just the way they show the other one love. And not be you born those children. We know say na your stepchildren. But the one where you born, go way beyond where they answer your name, where they bear your name. Those one, you know, they take care of them. Because of say, you want to make people know you join actress. Say, nah, you marry actress. You marry actress. All those actresses, many actresses will say that they live fake life. Many of them, all the things that they get, the way they will feel say they get, no be real. Some of them are sugar daddy they give them. If they marry, when we say they stop to the see sugar daddy, they don't go get that money again the way just they take get them before. So now a lot of people will go break their home, come out for their marriage because of all these celebrities. And now you can't talk say you waste your time. Now you not waste any time. Now you decided to do yourself. Now you do yourself. So me, I no feel for you and I no mercy for you. So now wait till your eye fine, now you see. So my people, I would like to end the video for you. I bet if you never subscribe, me not subscribe. Me not let me know what you think for the comment section. On a bye bye till I come on our way next time. Bye guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.